Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Microsoft Excel. This is pretty simple if you want to manage your plans, so let's begin. First, we open Excel, of course, and we are here in this home page. What we need to do is to click right here in this plus button, and then we are in the new tab to create a new project. So what we have to do is to search for a 12-month calendar, this option right here. We can also do daily or weekly, but we are going to click right here on 12-month calendar, and the template is already done. So if we want to make any change in this calendar, for example, it's pretty simple. The only thing we need to do is to click on one of these boxes. And then if we want to change the color, for example, we just click right here. And then we choose, for example, red. We can put red color right here. And if we want to add a text, we just click here on the text option. And then we just put text, for example. So it's pretty simple, as you see. That will be all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you need anything, let me know in the comments. Any question you have, like and subscribe.